Hey everyone, just a quick little balance around letting your star shine. So, this one is about life direction. It's about feeling that we're going to be moving forward with our lives. It's about choosing where we want to be and what we want to be doing with our life. It's about owning that in ourselves, which has held us back, and going, what is this holding me back? And then allowing ourselves to move forward into that which is our truth and our light and our love and our purpose. Have you ever felt like you are being held back? Have you ever felt like you've been controlled by your family or your beliefs about how smart you are, or your beliefs about the type of person who does a certain role that you feel like you would be good for? So that was my thought, because I was chatting away with a client this morning, and our self-worth and self-beliefs can impact on every decision we ever make. How are we supposed to live our best life when we're holding ourselves back? Okay, let's see and I've got 3 different flower essences that I thought might show up. I just quickly did a muscle test of my Australian bush flower essences. So let's go. Run that central meridian. Anti-clockwise over the heart. Fingers on the ESRs, emotional stress release points. Helping that energy to come to our frontal cortex. Wake up your pineal. We want that serotonin, melatonin, feel-good hormones kicking through our body, helping us to sleep well. And running the central. Okay, so what is it that you want to be doing with yourself? Just imagine for a moment one thing that would make your life better if you were doing it right now. Just imagine one thing. Okay, so for me, my brain, my amygdala immediately goes into escape, submission, freeze. It wants to run away rather than putting myself. Now, part of that is the energy on the planet. It's not designed at the moment to allow us to be doing what we want. It's not designed to allow us to be thinking about the future. But we need to be thinking about the future. We need to be putting one step forward. How many people have wasted an entire year because of the fear that's holding us all back? We are safe. We are safe. Okay. Actually, let me ask. Escape, submission, freeze. Yeah, right. So freeze. And that's what fear does. It can put us into that freeze where you can't move. You don't want to make a decision in case it's the wrong one. What if an industry I want to go into is gone in 6 months? What if something I want to do, if that job no longer exists? What if a area of my life isn't going to work because of restrictions and all sorts of things? But it does, we need to be thinking, where are we going? Where do we want to be going? Where do we want to be in 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years? I am free, I am sovereign, I am whole. 999, raise that vibration into love and light and happiness and joy. Release the anger, release the frustration, release that fragmentation of our energies. Dude car if ever I heard one. Hoon's off around the corner. So there's some frustration there now. So frustration, rage and anger. Once again, that holds us back when we're feeling angry about what's going on. And when we're in freeze and then we feel angry at ourselves for not moving forward, for not utilizing this time, it's really frustrating. It takes a lot of time to jam our energy. Once again, raise that energy, get our frontal cortexes moving. 999, 999, 999, raise that vibration, binding the people who have held us back in the past. They can no longer hurt us. Okay, so Philotheca flower essence is showing up. Philotheca is for letting your star shine. And Boab is for letting go of family beliefs, family traumas. Okay. We are worthy, we are safe, we are free. We are divine human beings, and we deserve to live our best life. Take care, everyone. Talk soon.